Look, baby Eden's playing in her chair. Being a good player. Oh, she has hiccups. Now she has the hiccups. See her looking around at her toys. Careful. Look. She's sliding down. Mama will fix her. Move her up here a little bit. Like this. There. Now she can see better. Hi, Vivi. Are you looking at the toys? Wow. We're playing. It's good playtime for babies. Bouncing in our little chair. Are you going to get mad? Hi, baby. Are you looking at mommy? No. I'm looking at these cool toys, Mom. Hi, baby. Got the hiccups. Very stressful. It might make me mad, Mom. Hi. Hi. Can you smile for Mama? Can you give Mama a little smile? Just a little one. No. Stretching. Do you have poopies too? Do both my girls have poopies at the same time? Oh, look. Are you getting your toys? Poor baby has a hiccup. Okay, maybe we should make you not have hiccups anymore. Okay, Mom will fix them.